Motor Speedway in Cicero, Illinois. Ready to go green once again. Montoya leads the field, followed by Franchitti, Tracy, and Greg Moore, who jumped from 8th to 4th on those pit stops. Green flag is out.
Let's watch Franchitti trying to get down the inside of Montoya down to turn 3. He wasn't quite as close to Montoya as Tracy was on that last restart, and he may have given away an opportunity here, and which he has.
DeFerrin takes a look inside of Greg Moore. And Andretti working on Kanaan and Gugelmin. And I assume it's Carpentier again. Impact a little heavier this time. But, you know, it's the restarts that are where you're going to make your moves on a course like this. You have no option but to go as hard as you can.
That's exactly right. You're on full fuel now and cold tires. Pickup's not really a problem because you've gone out on those fresh tires, but still, they're cold. You've got a lot more weight. You can't brake as deep. And if you're going to make the opportunity, if it hasn't happened in the pit lane, you've got to do it on the restarts.
Look at this from overhead.
D'Amata actually made contact just as they came into our view. Wow.
A full rollover for Mauricio Gugelmin. You saw it looked like Herta making a pass ahead of all of that.